Okay, you guys, let's make some gift bags. I'm gonna customize them, and I'm gonna use my little Cricut machine. I'll link it on my Amazon storefront and on my Walmart storefront, whatever's cheaper, you know. Go look at it and then decide. But this, I'm in love with. It looks like this, in case you guys want to see it, and you find it there. This is it. And sometimes this is all you need. Like I have the big one, but I gravitate towards this one all the time, not even just for playing around. It's a little dirty because I use it, but I'm gonna clean it up right now. Okay, so you're gonna turn it on, and then you're gonna put it right there. And as soon as it turns green, that means it's ready to use. Okay, what we're gonna do is grab these cute bags I have on my Amazon storefront. You guys, these are so cute. Look how thick they are. You can literally put whatever you want in them. And they're gonna be for the teacher's Valentine's gift. Since I gave them a gift card to Starbucks, I thought the theme this year would be love and coffee. How freaking cute is that? Just that simple, love and coffee. I'm gonna go ahead and place my parchment paper, one inside. Always make sure you have one inside, you guys. You don't want it to stick together. That is a huge mistake that people always make. And then you're gonna go ahead and have one for the outside. Parchment paper is really cheap. It's on my Amazon storefront. You can find it right there. I'm gonna pull it to my side just a little bit because I want to make sure I know what I'm doing. And these are how the bags come, individually wrapped, you guys, or sometimes they bundle them up. You open it up, you pull it out. The strings are in the inside, and they're really sturdy. They're not gonna like fall apart on you or nothing like that. I'm gonna put one in here as well, just to have it ready. And then I have more because the parchment paper comes in a roll, and then you just cut it up. You customize it to the bags. You customize it to whatever you're going to use it to. So all we're doing is waiting for the machine to turn green. It's going to turn green, and it's going to beep like telling us like, hey, I'm ready. You heard that? That's the machine just beeped, and it turned green, and it says you're ready. I'm gonna leave all the times and heat down below on my, it should be under Vinyl Heat Guide or something like that. So I thought this was a great theme this year, love and coffee. I'm gonna make sure I have it exactly where I want it. Look how pretty that's gonna look. Now you're gonna place it, you're gonna put your paper on top, and you're gonna firmly press it down. Going all the way across and down. You could go in circles, you could go up and down, but you're gonna do a firm press because it's burlap, and this burlap is not cheap, it's thick. There's thin burlap, and then there's thick burlap, and this is the thick burlap. You're gonna bring it up. You're gonna just look at it and make sure. Okay, so we're gonna let that dry. We're gonna bring the next one, and then we're gonna place it. Make sure you have it exactly how you want it. Once you press it, you can lift it. Firm grip. Now, when you take this off, and then once it dries, it has to be cool to the touch. If it lifts, you're gonna go ahead and do it all over again. Like I'm gonna show you right now. If it lifts, what do you have to do? Don't pull it off if it's lifting, because you're gonna ruin the whole thing. Okay, we're gonna let this cool to the touch. Oh no, it kind of messed up right there. See, the first thing I tell you, and it messes up. I don't know why it lifted with the thing. It shouldn't have lifted. Now I'm gonna let this set. I can actually take this off. What do I do? I don't know if I should take it off, just peel it off. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna save it right now and just, I can always redo the E really fast on my machine. Okay, I'm gonna hope that the rest sets, and I'll redo the E. That's not a problem by me. And we're just gonna let that set and see if it sticks. If it doesn't stick, I'll redo the whole thing. It's fine by me, and we move on. Okay? Okay, guys, so let me see if this is ready. I reprinted the E. Yeah, and that came out really pretty. So don't worry when you mess up. Like I said, nobody is perfect. I reprinted the E really quick. That's all you can do. If you're in your craft room, just go ahead and redo it. Oh, it's really big, so I'm gonna have to print it again. So let me print it really quick. Okay, guys, so I reprinted it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add it on here real quick. So I'm gonna let that cool to the touch. I'm gonna bring this one back. Let's see if this one, oh no, right there. Let's see. Maybe it'll stay. Okay, maybe it did and maybe it did not. So right here, no, it actually looks fine. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it real quick, and then I'm gonna press it down. That's it. I'm just gonna adjust it. And that's it. I'm gonna press it down. Okay, so we're just gonna press it down. So I'm just gonna grab the paper, and I'm just gonna press it in. That's it, and that's gonna stay. Just a quick press, and that's it. The bag is done. We're gonna let that just settle right there. I'm gonna grab this one. I want to make sure this one's done because, okay, that's perfect. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do that one and last heat press. Make sure nothing lifts. Lift it up and let that set. How cute are these bags? So we're gonna move on to just regular bags, and this one doesn't need any heat. I'm gonna turn off my heat and let that just set right there. Okay, so this one is gonna say the same thing. I have the same thing, just that this one's not gonna have any heat. I'm gonna go ahead and press that in there as well, and then we'll pop up the bags and they're ready to get used, you guys. Okay, so for that one, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my paper as well. Maybe I'll do it here. All I'm gonna do is measure it. Cut it. And I'm gonna use the same piece of paper for both. So I'm gonna get my money's worth. So for this one, all you're gonna do is grab your paper really quick. You're gonna add it on there. Now once you paste it on here, you can lift it. Make sure you know exactly where you want it, because you can't lift this anymore. You're gonna grab your bag. I'm gonna just face it towards me because I need to make sure that I have it where I want it. You're just gonna grab it, lift it, and you're gonna put it exactly where you want it. Once you have it, go ahead and scrape it down. Make sure you do the whole thing because that's why it ends up lifting. I'm gonna grab my next one because I'm gonna add it just on there. I'm gonna lift it, and you gotta lift it real careful, like I'm not even playing. And you have custom bags that easy. If you want to add the teacher's name, if you want to add the person, these are going to be for the aftercare ladies. So if you want to add them, their names, you can totally do that. Making the bag custom is game changer for me because my whole thing goes together really nice. I'm going to grab the next one. Okay. I'm gonna lay it flat. If you can, lay it flat before you add it under. Lift it. Be super careful. Have it exactly where you want it. Paste it. And scrape it. Okay, when you're lifting it, lift it carefully. You don't want the vinyl to come off with it. And that came out really nice. And there you go. I have custom bags, you guys, for the teachers and for the aftercare and before care ladies. And I'm gonna make, of course, more, but I just had to show you how freaking adorable they are. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lift them and I'm gonna show you. So let's go ahead and open them up, and I'm just gonna show you how they're gonna look. Look at how cute that is. Like, how cute are those? And then the other ones, of course, we just make sure we take out the parchment paper from the inside carefully. And these are ready as well. How freaking cute is this? Like, which one do you like the most? I love them both. One is for a teacher, and like I said, one is for the before and after care. So I like them both. Let me know which one you guys think, what's easier for you. I know it looked a little hard, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, and if you mess up, you're able to fix everything. But I think they're adorable. Let me know how they came out. Let me know if you're going to make your own. This is my theme for Valentine's this year, love and coffee, because I gave them coffee gift cards. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, bye you guys.